Yeah, we're getting ready to go down to Trail of Tears down at Shawnee National Forest. Just wanted to show a little preview of our truck camper here we did. I don't know how well this is going to turn out, but some lights in here. Got 3 cushions. Those are pillows up there, removable. Got a diesel heater underneath the front up there. House battery up under there. Open this up. Right now this cushion's just sitting on here, but got it set up to where table or chairs, and got a little tent and portable toilet up there. So you don't have to crawl in this. You can set a cooler here. This slides out, so you don't have to crawl up in there to get your stuff out. Now when you get to camp, you're ready to camp, we just gotta get all of our chairs out here. Now if there's 2 people, you can leave that down. This will flip up back in there, so you got like a couch if you want to just sit with 2 people. If you got a 3rd person, this just pulls out. Slips right in there. I didn't mention, you can see where the heater blows out underneath the bed, so it gets everything nice and warm. This just slides right back in there. Of course, we've got sheets and everything to go on here, and the blankets. I'll set this stuff out of the way. On this side here, we got a full pull-out drawer. Pulls out full length. In here, we've got a little everything. In here is alcohol, hand sanitizer, dish soap, lights, power pack, headlamps, dog bowls. Yeah, tablecloth here for your picnic table. Got my drone, water bottle. This is a towel for the dog. This is a little floor mat. We got our tent. Got a portable shower in here, some rope. That's the muffler for the diesel heater. A couple pie irons. And then down underneath there's also a cast iron griddle under there. In here we got a USB fan and light, another little USB fan, air pump if you need it for airing up air mattress, and I got a power inverter under there. Then there's a double bladed axe in there, handles for our pie irons, of course the Coleman lantern, propane lantern. Then we move over to this side. Another full pull out. Now on this side we got propane tanks and those little micro stoves, gloves, fillet knife, and we got an extension hose down there for using propane, 20-pound propane tank. And of course here we've got our plates and bowls and cups and aluminum foil and plasticware. Then here we got all kinds of, we got oil and oatmeal and all kinds of seasonings and spices and cappuccino. Everything you need is in there. And then in this one, you got pots, pans, 2 cast iron skillets, a little camp pot and pan kit there. And then here we got silverware drawer, pops out. This is the cutting board. It just pulls out, you can move it wherever you want. And then inside of here is where I've got my stove stored. Of course you can see here we got our bigger utensils, can opener and this and that. Go to use the stove, just pull it up out of here, flip that back down, It sits on, I got 4 holes there. It just sits right in there, and you're ready to go. To put it back, I just Velcro just to keep it from sliding. It really doesn't move, but well, then just in cases. Oh, and there's a little storage hole under there for personal safety items if you need to keep it under there. Velcro, you just pull it around it, snug it up. And you're ready to go. Now, I told you there's a diesel heater up there. Well, I didn't waste any storage. You open this up, as you can see, I got my fuel tank mounted in here for my diesel fuel. And I keep bungee cords and straps and a chain, whatever else you might need. I got extra storage up there that don't really have anything in it. Then we come over here to the other side. And inside of this one, got some rags, little portable table, fits under here. You got a canopy in there that goes on the truck, goes in the truck, and then there's a hammock and some other stuff up underneath there. And that other storage up there, don't use any of it. Just about everything you could need. And then of course lights, and I've got a light switch mounted here. And that up there is the controller for the diesel heater, and beside it I have a carbon monoxide detector just for safety. Come over here on the side, I don't know how well you'll be able to see this. Right here's where the exhaust comes out for the diesel heater. Just put a little muffler on, blows right out, so you don't have any carbon monoxide building up. And then all this is really hard to see. Here's the air intake in here where it's got fresh air intake. And like I said, I got a canopy that snaps on. Little snaps right here. Got it on all 3 sides. Alright, we'll show some more after we do our little camping trip this weekend.